Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do ratio and proportion. Test yourself. Page number 120. Question 7. The ratio of length and width of a school ground is given. So the order is very important. So ratio of length and width. That means this is length and this is width. This is length, this is width. Find the length if the width is 40 meters. Okay, so length is what we must find out and width is given to us. So let's start. Let the length, since we don't know the length, we'll make it x. So let the length be x meters and width is given to us as 40 meters. It's already given to us. Width is given to us. Then the ratio of length to width is also given to us, which is 5:2. Now we have to make it a proportion. Now, how did I get x is to 40 is to 5 is to 2? 5 is to 2 is already given to us and this is length and this is width. Similarly, on the other side also, I must have length and width. Now, length we don't know. We have given it as x, so I've written x. Width we know is 40 meters, so I've written as 40. So the order should be the same on the left-hand side as well as the right-hand side. So length is to width on the left hand side. On the right also it is length is to width. Now we have it in the form of a proportion. Once you have it in the form of a proportion, we can use the formula which says product of extremes equals product of means. And we know that x and 2 are the extremes and 40 and 5 are the means. Product means multiplication. So let's find the product of extremes. X into 2 is equal to 40 into 5. So we can find the value of x, 40 into 5, and I can take 2 to the other side. It becomes division. Now I can cancel 2 and 40. 2 2's are 4, so 2 into 20 is 40. So let's multiply 20 into 5, 20 into 5. 5 zeros are 0, 5 2's are 10, so I have 100. So x is equal to 100. And what is x? X is the length. So we have got the length of the school ground to be 100 meters. This is the unit, 100 meters. Two numbers are in the ratio 9:2. If the smaller number is 320, find the larger number. Now let's write the ratio of two numbers. The ratio is 9:2. Then we write the smaller number that's given to us as 320. Now we are asked to find the larger number. Now from the ratio 9:2, if we take 2 as the smaller number, then 9 will be the bigger number, isn't it? Then we can take 9 as the bigger number. Now, if we take 1 as the smaller number, then the bigger number will be 9/2. Okay, 2 is a smaller number. If I take 320 as the smaller number, then my bigger number will be 9/2 into 320. Right? So let me explain this once more. The larger number, the third step. If we take 2 as the smaller number, then we can take 9 as the bigger number. Okay? Now, if 1 is the smaller number, then the bigger number is 9/2, which is a smaller number. If 320 is the smaller number, then a bigger number will be 9/2 into 320. So this one, let's work out. We can cancel 2 and 320 both by 2. 2 ones are 2. Now 320 is divisible by 2. Let's divide it here and see. 320, let's divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2 minus, this is 1. I bring down 2, it becomes 12. 2 sixes are 12. Then I bring down the next 0. 2 zeros are 0. So I can cancel 320. I have divided it by 2 and I got 160. Now in my numerator, I have 9 into 160. So let's multiply that. 160 into 9. 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54, carry 5, 9 ones are 9, plus 5, 14. So I have got 1440 by 1. That means my larger number is 1440. My larger number is 1440. Ratio of the distance of the school from A's home. So we have one person called A. So distance from A's home and from B's home is 2:1. So we have two people and we are talking about the distance of the school from their houses. And the ratio is 2:1. Now the question is, who lives nearer to the school? Okay, now let's start. Distance of the school from A's home. Okay, from A's home to the distance from B's home is given to us as 2:1. That means distance of the school from A's home by the distance of the school from B's home is 2/1. As we know, ratio 2:1 can be written as division 2/1. Okay, so now we are trying to find how far A's home is from the school when compared to B's home and who is staying closer to the school. So distance of the school from A's home is 2 and distance of the school from B's home is 1. So we put it as a division fraction 2/1. Now if we have to find the distance of the school from A's home, we write 2 into, now this one, distance, we have taken it to the other side. So it's become into distance of the school from B's home. Okay, so from A's home, it is 2 into B's home. That means B lives nearer to the school than A, isn't it? Because A's home is twice the distance from B's home. Okay, so now we know that B lives closer to school than A. Now there's one more part of this question. A table is given to us and we have to complete this table. So distance in kilometer from A's home is the first row, and in the second row we have distance in kilometers from B's home to school. So in certain rows we have numbers given, in certain others we don't have, and we have to find out. So let's just mark these as A, B, C, D and E, just for our convenience, for us to help us find. So in question A, the distance from A's home is given and B's home we have to find out. Okay, so let's do that. So distance of school from A's home we know is 2 into distance from B's home, isn't it? We just found out A is 2 into B's home. So let's do that. So A's home in the first question is given as 4, which is 2 into distance from B's home. So now we have to find this, isn't it? We have to find this, that is distance of the school from B's home. So distance of the school from B's home will be 4 divided by 2. This is the 4 I've taken and divided by 2 from here. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that means this answer here is 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers. I will not write in kilometers because it's already given here, kilometers. So this answer is 2. So as you can see, if you look at the first column, 4 and 2, you can see that B's distance is half of 4. Half of 4. Or A's distance is double B. So now we can actually easily find out all these. If B is 9, A is 9 into 2. That is 18. If C is A, question C, if A is 8 there, then B is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. Question D. If B is 8, A is double that, that is 16. Question E, if A is 6, then B is half of that, 3. Okay, we can easily find this out, but let's do it the proper way. We'll have all steps and we'll work it out. So we have found A, question A, which I have marked here. We have found the distance from B's home. Now let's go to the second part. Distance in kilometer from A's home is given to us 4, and then we have 2. Now we are doing the B question. Okay, we finished A. Now we are doing the B question. This time we don't know what A is, the distance of A is, but we know the distance of B. But since we know the ratio, we know 9 into 2 is 18, and that will be the distance from A's home. But let's work out the steps. So the steps are like this. Distance of the school from A's home is 2 into distance of the school from B's home. So this step, first step, is used everywhere for all the questions. Now, distance of the school from A's home will be 2 into, what is the distance from B's home in question B? It is 9. 2 into 9 is 18. 18 kilometers. Okay, so we can write the answer here as 18 kilometers. So we have found the answer there. Now let's go to C. Question C. This time A is given. We have to find out B. So again, same statement for all questions. Distance of the school from A's home is 2 into distance from B's home. Then, so distance of the school from A's home is this is already given in the question. That is 2 into distance from B's home. So now we must find distance from B's home. That will be 8 divided by 2. So I've taken 8 from here and 2 from here. 8 divided by 2, which is 4. 2 fours are 8. So I have found C to be 4. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next one. Next question. So here we have found A, that is 2, B is 18, and C is 4. We've already found. Now we have to find D. This time again it is from A's home. So same statement, distance of the school from A's home is 2 into B's home. Okay, so we have to find A this time. So 2 into, what is the distance from B's home given to us? 8 kilometers. So 8, 2 8s are 16. So we have found the answer to this. It's 16 kilometers. Now let's go on to question E. This time A is given to us. We must find B. Again, distance from A's home is 2 into distance from B's home. And we know that the distance of the school from A's home is 6. It's given in the question as 6. So it's already 6. Now 6 is 2 into distance from B's home. Now, so what will the distance from B's home be? 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 2 threes are 6. So now we have found this answer also. So can you see, children, we have found all the answers. Now if you see, B is the smaller one and A is the greater one, and A is twice that of B. Look at the first one. 2 is the distance from B. 2 into 2 is 4. Next one, 9 into 2 is 18. Next one, 4 into 2 is 8. Next one, 8 into 2 is 16. And the last one, 3 into 2 is 6. Question 10. Mr. Gupta divides 81,000 rupees among his 3 children, Ashok, Mohit and Geeta, in such a way that Ashok gets 4 times what Mohit gets. Mohit gets 2.5 times what Geeta gets. Find the share of each of them. So the amount that's divided is 81,000 rupees. Then we are going to assume the share of Geeta to be 1. That means Mohit gets 2.5 times of what Geeta gets. That will be 2.5 into 1. This is what Mohit gets, 2.5. Now, what about Ashok? He gets 4 times what Mohit gets, that is 2.5. So now let's do this multiplication. 2.5 into 4. So when we multiply decimals, we ignore the point and we multiply. So we get 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. Go back to the question, there is one decimal place. The answer also should have one decimal place. So it is 10.0 or simply 10. So now we've got the ratios of all. What are the ratios? Geeta is 1. Mohit is 2.5 and Ashok is 10. But as you can see, there is one decimal number. So we're going to remove that and make it whole numbers so that our working is easier. Now to make 2.5 a whole number, I need to multiply it by 10. Now if I multiply this by 10, I need to multiply the other two numbers also by 10. So let me do that. 1 tens are 10, 2.5 into 10 is 25, 10 tens are 100. Now we've got 10 is to 25 is to 100, which again can be reduced to the lowest term. I'm going to divide all by 5. So now when I divide it by 5, what do I get? 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25 and 5 20s are 100. So I've got 2 is to 5 is to 20. So let me write that down. 2 is to 5 is to 20. These are my ratios. Now I need to find the sum of the ratios. So that will be 2 plus 5 plus 20. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 20 is 27. The sum of the ratios is 2 plus 5 plus 20, which makes it 27. So Geeta's share will be 2 by 27 into 81,000 rupees. So let's cancel. 27 by 9, 9 threes are 27, 9 nines are 81 and I can add the 3 zeros. I can cancel this again by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9 and 1, 2, 3 zeros. So that makes it 3,000. So 2 into 3,000. So let's multiply 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6 and add the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So Geeta's share is 6,000 rupees. Let's go to Mohit's share. So second term 5 by the sum of the ratios into 81,000 rupees. So this time we can cancel straight away by following what's on top. So 27 ones and 27 threes are 81 and add the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So that's 3,000. Now let's multiply 3,000 into 5. So multiply 5 and 3 only. 5 threes are 15. Now add the 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So that makes it 15,000. So Mohit's share is 15,000 rupees. Ashok's share. Now we'll go on to the third number, that is 20 by 27 into 81,000. So let's do the cancelling. 27 ones and 27 into 3,000. Now we need to multiply 20 into 3,000. So let's multiply only 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. Now we'll add all the zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes it 60,000. So now we have found the share of Geeta, Mohit and Ashok. So Geeta gets 6,000 rupees. Mohit gets 15,000 rupees. And Ashok gets 60,000 rupees. If 4x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y is equal to 6 is to 7, find. Okay, so we have the first question, find x is to y. So first step, let's make this an equation. So 4x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y can be written as a fraction, that is 3x plus 5y, and this is equal to 6 by 7. Now we need to find the ratio of x is to y. So what do we have to do? We have to transpose numbers from one side to the other side. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to transpose 7 from the right hand side to the left. So here it is division. When it comes to the left side, it becomes multiplication. So 7 into, and we will write the first fraction as it is, 4x plus 3y. And on the right hand side, we have 6 as it is. I'm going to transpose this set of terms to the right hand side. Here it is division. When it goes to the right, it becomes multiplication. So that is into 3x plus 5y. Now let's work this out. So 7 into this means 7 into 4x first. So 7 into 4x. 7 4s are 28 and that becomes x. So we finished with 7 into 4x. Now let's multiply 7 into 3y. So that will be plus 7 3s are 21, 21y. Now similarly on this side, first we multiply 6 into 3x. 6 3s are 18, 18x. So we finish multiplying with 3x. Now we're going to multiply 6 into 5y. So plus 6 5s are 30, 30y. So now as you can see, we have x on both sides and y on both sides. Now let's put them to one side. We put all the x to one side and all the y to the other side by transposing. So 28x I'm going to write as it is. Here I have 18x which is plus. So when it comes to the left hand side, it becomes minus 18x. Now on the right hand side, I have 30y now and I'm going to transpose plus 21y to the right hand side. It becomes minus 21y. So what do we have here? 28x minus 18x. 28 minus 18 is 10. 10x. And on the right hand side, 30 minus 21 and both are y's. 30 minus 21 is 9. So that is 9y. So now I need to get my ratio. So I still have some more working left. 10x means 10 into x and 9y means 9 into y. Now my ratios will be x is to y, isn't it? My ratio is going to be x is to y. So I'm going to leave x on the left hand side as it is, x, and I'm going to transpose 10 to the other side. Similarly, on the other side, I'm having y, which I'm going to transpose to the left hand side because I need to get the ratio x is to y or x by y. So I'm going to transpose this y to the left hand side. It's multiplication. When it comes here, it becomes division. Now on the right hand side, I already have 9, which I'm going to leave it there. Now I'm going to transpose 10 to the right hand side. Here it is multiplication. When it moves, it becomes division, 9 by 10. So this one can be put as a ratio. X by y can be written as x is to y. That is equal to 9 by 10 can be written as 9 is to 10. So we have found the answer. We were asked to find the value of x is to y, and that is 9 is to 10. Question 2. We have to find x if y is equal to 10. So what's given to us in the question is this: 4x plus 3y is to 3x plus 5y. 3x plus 5y is equal to 6 is to 7. Is equal to 6 is to 7. Now from this, we have to find the value of x and substitute y with 10. So let's begin here. So here this will be 4x plus 3 into y. Y is 10 given to us in the question, is to here 3x plus 5 into 10. Again, y is equal to 10 is equal to 6 is to 7. So this will be 4x plus 3 tens are 30 is to 3x plus 5 tens are 50. This is equal to 6 is to 7. Now let's write this as a fraction. 4x plus 30 divided by 3x plus 50, and on the other side we have 6 by 7. Now we're going to find the value of x, so we have to do some transposing here. So what we'll do is we're going to leave 4x plus 30 as it is there. Now I'm going to transpose 7 from the right hand side to the left. Because it's division here, it becomes multiplication when it comes to the right side. So this is now 7 into this whole thing. This is equal to, on the right hand side we have 6 as it is, we'll leave it there, and now we will transpose 3x plus 50 to the right hand side. So when we transpose it from the left where it is division to the right, it will change into multiplication. So this becomes 3x plus 50, which is multiplication. Now let's work this out. 7 into 4x, 7 4s are 28x plus 7 into 30. So this part is over. Now we are doing 7 into 30. So 7 3s are 21. So that is 210 equals. We do the same thing on the right hand side. 6 into 3x. 6 3s are 18. That's 18x. So we are done with 6 into 3x. Now we're going to multiply 6 into 50. 6 5s are 30. So, and we add a 0. So that becomes 300. Now as you can see, we have x here on the left side and x on the right side. We are going to put them all on the left side together and all the numbers together on the right hand side. So we begin by saying 28x, and I'm transposing 18x to the left hand side. It becomes minus 18x. On the right hand side we already have 300, and we're going to transpose plus 210 to the right hand side. It becomes minus 210. So now let's work this out. 28x minus 18x. 28 minus 18 is 10. 10x is equal to 300 minus 210. Now let's do that. 300 minus 210. When you subtract 0, now we borrow 10 minus 1 is 9. We get 90. So 10x is equal to 90. So now we can find the value of x by writing 90 divided by 10, because we have transposed this 10 to the right hand side. So 90 divided by 10, we can cancel this. We just have 9 by 1, which is simply 9. So we have found the value of x to be 9. So what is our answer? X is equal to 9. Now let's go on to the next question. Question 3. Here we are asked to find the value of y this time, and they've given us the value of x. So what is the question given to us? 4x plus 3y, 4x plus 3y in brackets is to 3x plus 5y, 3x plus 5y is equal to 6 is to 7. Okay, now here we are going to substitute for x. So wherever you see x, you have to put 27 because it's given to us in the question. So this is 4 into x, that is into 27, plus 3y is to 3 into x is 3 into 27 plus 5y is equal to 6 is to 7. Now 4 into 27. So let's multiply that. This one we are doing this 4 into 27. So 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28, carry 2. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. So we've got 108 plus 3y is to, now here we have to multiply 3 into 27. So 27 into 3. 3 7s are 21, carry 2. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So we've got 81. 81 plus 5y. This is equal to 6 is to 7. Now let's write this as a fraction. So this becomes 108 plus 3y divided by 81 plus 5y. This is equal to 6:7. And that we are writing as a fraction now. So that becomes 6/7. Now here, what we're going to do is we're going to transpose a few numbers from one side to the other side. So first I'm going to transpose 7 to the left hand side. Here it is division. When I transpose it, it becomes multiplication. So that becomes 7 into, now the numerator is 108 plus 3y. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now on the right hand side I have 6. Let me leave it as it is. Now I'm going to transpose this to the right hand side. Here it is division. When it goes to the right it becomes multiplication. That is 81 plus 5y. So now let's work this out and see. So first we multiply 7 into 108 to get our next step. So let's multiply 108 into 7. 7 8s are 56, carry 5, 7 zeros are 5, 7 zeros are 0, so I put down 5, 7 1s are 7. So that is 756. Now I finished multiplying with this. Now I'm going to multiply 7 into 3y. So plus 7 3s are 21y. Now this is equal to, I need to multiply 6 into 81 first. So 81 into 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 8s are 48. I've got 486 plus, now I finish multiplying with 81. Now I need to multiply with 5y. So 6 5s are 30 and y. So now I have y on both sides. I have 21y here and I have 30y here. So I'm going to put the y's together and I'm going to put the numbers 756 and 486 together. So let's do that. So now I'm going to take 756, write it as it is. I'm going to transpose plus 486 to the left hand side. Plus becomes minus, so it is minus 486. On the right hand side I have 30y, I'll leave it as it is. Now I'm going to transpose plus 21y to the right side, it becomes minus 21y. So let me write that, minus 21y. So now let's work this out. 756 minus 486. Let's minus that. 756 minus 486. 0. Now I need to borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. I've got 270. 270, and here 30y minus 21y. 30 minus 21 is 9. So I've got 9y. So 9y is 270. That means y is equal to 270 divided by 9. So let's do that division. 270 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27 minus, now I carry the 0. So now I've got my answer as 30. So I have found the value of y. Y is equal to 30. If 2x plus 5 divided by 3y minus 5x is equal to 2 1 by 2, we have to find a few answers. The first question here is x is to y. So let's begin by writing what is given to us. 2y plus 5x divided by 3y minus 5x is equal to, let's convert that, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. So now we are going to make this an equation. So we are going to write first 2y plus 5x on the left hand side as it is, and on the right we're going to leave 5 as it is. Now I'm going to transpose 2 from the right hand side to the left side. So here it is division. So when it comes to the left side, it becomes multiplication. So that is 2 into this set of numbers. Similarly, I'm going to transpose 3y minus 5x, which is division, to the right side. So it becomes multiplication. So into 3y minus 5x. Now let's work this out. First we multiply 2 into 2y. 2 2s are 4, 4y plus, now we finished with 2y, we're going to do 2 into 5x. So 2 5s are 10, so that is 10x. Now similarly on the right hand side, first we're going to multiply 5 into 3y. 5 3s are 15, so that is 15y. We finished with 3y, we're going to multiply 5 into minus 5x. So plus into minus is minus, 5 5s are 25, 25x. Now we have x on both sides, y on both sides. Let's put all the x to one side and all the y to the other side. So on the left hand side, let's put all the x. I already have a 10x here. Now I'm going to transpose minus 25x to this side. So it becomes plus 25x. On the right hand side, I already have minus, I have plus 15 y, which I'm going to leave it as it is, so that is 15y. Now I'm going to transpose 4y to the other side. It's plus 4y, it becomes minus 4y. So let's work this out now. 10x plus 25x is 35x. And on this side, 15 minus 4 is 11, 11y. Now what does this mean? 35x means 35 into x, and on the other side 11y means 11 into y. Now I need to get my ratio as x is to y. So I need to get x and y on the same side. I already have x here, so I'm going to bring y here. X, now y is multiplication, so when it comes this side it becomes division. So I've got x and y together. Now here I have 11 and I need to transpose 35 to the other side, it becomes division. So 11 by 35. So now I can put this as a ratio. X is to y is equal to 11 is to 35. So this is my answer. X is to y is what I've been asked to find, and I found my answer to be 11 is to 35. Question 2, we have to find the value of x and the value of y is given to us. So the question is 2y plus 5x divided by 3y minus 5x is equal to 2, 1 by 2. So wherever we have y, we're going to substitute that with 70 because that is what is given to us in the question. So this is 2y means 2 into y plus 5x divided by 3 into y minus 5x, and together it is equal to 2 1 by 2. Let's convert. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. So now let's work this out. So 2 into y means 2 into y is 70. 2 into 70 plus 5x and divided by 3 into y, y is 70 minus 5x. And this is equal to 5 by 2. So 2 into 70 is 140 plus 5x divided by 3 7s are 21, so 210 minus 5x, and together this is 5 by 2. It's equal to 5 by 2. Now we need to find the value of x, so we're going to transpose a few numbers from one side to the other. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave 140 plus 5x on the left hand side. Then I'm going to take 2 from the right hand side. I'm going to transpose it to the left. So because it is division there, here it becomes multiplication. So 2 into 140 plus 5x. This is equal to, on the right I have 5. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now I'm going to transpose 210 minus 5x to the right side. Here it is division, so there it becomes multiplication. So 5 into 210 minus 5x. So we have transposed both sides. Now we're going to multiply. So here I need to multiply 2 into 140. 2 into 14, or 14 twos are 28, and I add the 0. So I finished multiplying with 140. Now I'm going to multiply 2 into 5x. 2 5s are 10, so that is 10x. Now same thing on this side. 5 into 210. So first we multiply 5 into 21. Let's do that. 21 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 105, now I just add a 0. So 1050. Then I finished with 210. Now I'm going to multiply 5 into 5x. There is a minus sign there. So minus 5 into 5 is 25x. Now as you can see, there is x on both the sides. So I'm going to bring it all to one side. I already have 10x here. 10x minus 25x. When it comes here, it becomes plus 25x. Here I have 1050. I'm going to transpose 280 to the other side. It becomes minus 280. 10x plus 25x is 35x. And what is 35x equal to? Now let's subtract these two numbers. So that is 1050 minus 280. So that is 0. Now I need to borrow to subtract. So 0, 10, 9, 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. So I've got 770. 770. Now 35x is 770. So how much will x be? So x will be 770 divided by 35. So let's do that division. 770 divided by 35. 77. 35 twos are 70. Minus 7. I bring down 0. It's 70 there. 35 twos are 70. So what do I have there? 22. So x is equal to 22. So let's write our answer clearly. X is equal to 22. This is our final answer, which we have found out to be 22. Question 3. Here we have to find the value of y, and the value of x is given to us as 33. So the question is 2y plus 5x divided by 3y minus 5x equals 2, 1 by 2. So this means 2y plus 5 into x, and x we know is 33. So 5 into 33. Now divided by 3y minus 5 into x, which is 33. 5 into 33, and all this is equal to 2, 1 by 2. Now let's convert 2 1 by 2 into an improper fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So we've got 5 by 2. So now let's work this out. 2y plus, how much is 5 into 33? So let's do that. 33 into 5. 5 3s are 15, carry 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. So plus 165 divided by 3y minus, again 5 into 33, so that is 165. This is equal to 5 by 2. Now let's transpose. Now 2y plus 165, I'm leaving it as it is. Now I'm going to transpose 2 from the right hand side to the left. So it becomes multiplication. 2 into, it becomes multiplication. Now on the right hand side we already have 5. Now we're going to transpose this 3y minus 165 to the right hand side. Here it is division, so when it comes here it becomes multiplication. So it is 3y minus 165. Now let's multiply and get our answer. So first here we have to multiply 2 into 2y. 2 2's are 4, so that is 4y. We finish with 2y. Now we have to multiply 2 into 165. So let's do that multiplication. 165 into 2. 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. So here 4y plus 330 is equal to, here we have to multiply 5 into 3y first. So 5 3s are 15, 15y minus, now we have finished multiplying with 3y. Let's multiply 5 into 165. So let's do that. 165 into 5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 6 are 30, 32, carry 3. 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 825. Now we have 4y on the left side and 5y on the right. We're going to put it together. Similarly, numbers also we have on both sides. We're going to put it together. On the left side, we're going to have the y's, and on the right side, let's have the numbers. So let's begin. So here I have 4y as it is. Now I'm going to transpose 15y from the right side to the left. So it's going to become minus 15y. On the right hand side, I have minus 825. I'm going to transpose plus 330. It's going to become minus 330. So let's solve this now. 4y minus 15y. So signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 15 minus 4 is 11. Minus 11y is equal to, let's work this out. Minus 825 minus 330. Signs are the same. So we have to put the same sign but add. So let's do that addition. 825 plus 330. 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1155 is what we've got. So let's write it down, 1155. Now to find the value of y, we should write y is equal to minus 1155, and we are going to transpose minus 11 to the right hand side. It is multiplication here, so it becomes division. So divided by minus 11. So now we have to divide these two numbers. Now minus into minus is plus. So the sign is plus. Now let's divide 1155 by 11. So 1155 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11 minus 0. I bring down 5. 5 is smaller than 11, so I put a 0 and I bring down the next number, 55. 11 5s are 55 minus 0. So what do I have there? 105. So I've got my answer. The value of y equals 105. So this is our final answer. So with this, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.